Welcome garden fans, Shrub Madness is back for its 5th year and you are watching Shrubs Center. Hi everyone, I am Shannon Downey and this is Shrub Center. We are so glad you are joining us for the 5th year of the Shrub Madness competition. I am joined today by Stacy Hervella and Natalie Carmoli, our rookie Shrub Center panelist. Welcome, Natalie. Yay! The first round of competition is off to a great start, and we have a lot of amazing matchups coming your way. Let's talk about some of them. Stacy, what are you excited about?
All right, well, there's a lot to talk about, but the one that I have picked to cover today is Sugar Shack Buttonbush versus Vanilla Spice Summer Sweet or Clethra. The reason I'm excited about this matchup is they're both native plants, which is kind of my bag. I'm really into native plants. Also, they're really an interesting matchup because they both have white flowers, they both bloom in summer, and they're both fragrant. You know, it's really just a question of which flower do you like better. Do you like the rounded spherical flowers of Sugar Shack, which are, yes, indeed, pretty awesome, or the spiky flowers of Vanilla Spice Clethra? I actually have Sugar Shack moving on, but I'll be really, really interested to see how people vote because I think that they're just so evenly matched that it could be either one.
Well, I happen to, with the name Natalie Carmoli, have picked an Italian matchup that you have put together. Sicilian Sunshine Sweet Bay and Oh So Easy Italian Ice. They're very different plants, of course. Sicilian Sunshine Sweet Bay, a bay plant with bay leaves that you can cook with in your kitchen. It's only hardy to zone 8 or warmer. So it's something you can have outside in the summertime if you live where we are. If you live in the south, you can have it out in the, I don't know how deep south, probably pretty deep south.
Yeah.
You can have it outside all year long, but you can bring it in and out. Great little plant for cooking with. Paired up with Oh So Easy Italian Ice, which is hardy to zone 4. I can grow that right in my yard. In fact, I plan to rip out one of my roses and replace it with one this summer.
Get out of here, old rose.
Who needs you?
Get in here, Italian Ice. So that's a beautiful peachy and a little bit of ivory, I think, in there. I picked Italian Ice over Sweet Bay.
Well, you know, fun fact about the Sweet Bay is it's also known as Bay Laurel. And you may know laurel from laureate, and that is because they used to make a wreath of bay laurel leaves for people who were being celebrated. So whether it's a graduation or you won a Nobel Prize, which is just kind of like a minor achievement you may get in your life, that's what that comes from. So I think that's an underused use for that plant, actually, is to, if you have it, make wreaths for the people you're celebrating
Flower
in your
crowns
life.
or foliage crowns.
Yes. I love that historic aspect of it. Just a little
Shrub Center is your place for your fun party facts. One matchup that I am really excited about are two very tall and narrow plants. First is Purple Pillar, Rose of Sharon, and the second is Fine Line Rhamnus. Fine Line is one of the first plants that I fell in love with from Proven Winners. It has an incredible feathery fern-like look to it, very narrow leaves, they blow a lot in the wind. It's a great texture plant. Purple Pillar is a whole new habit and look for Rose of Sharon. Very tall and narrow, neither of them take up very much square footage in your garden, but you get that vertical interest. They're just a million uses for this type of plant, and we're really excited for both of them. And I voted for Purple Pillar because I know how much people love Roses of Sharon and I know how much people love big purple flowers. So, sorry, Fine Line.
Well, good luck, Purple Pillar.
So,
I think you can do it.
You can do it. You can do it. So all of these plants are competing. There's 32 matchups in the first round. Who knows who will make it to the second? It's only going to get more and more difficult as the competition moves closer to the floral 4. Which is the last 4 plants competing in the competition and your grand prize. So, who do you have for your floral 4 and who do you have taking the entire competition?
My floral 4, Checkmark Trilogy Weigela, 3 flower colors at once, hard to beat that. Incredible Blush Hydrangea, like I said, I love native plants. It is a native hydrangea. It's like Incredible Hydrangea, but pink, and it's fabulous. It's a really cool color of pink. Pugster Amethyst Buddleia, one of our newest Buddleia series. Dwarf plant, full-size flowers, so it is amazing. The flower, the picture that we have on the Shrub Madness website, when you see it, you'll freak out. And then finally, Zinfandel Hydrangea, which is a panicle hydrangea. We know how much you love panicle hydrangeas. Firelight has won before. And when you see the picture of Zinfandel hydrangea, you will similarly freak out. So I have Incredible Blush and Zinfandel making it to the final 2. And I have Incredible Blush taking it all, but that's because I personally like it better. It's so hard to say which one would take it all because they're both fabulous.
Well, I have a little bit more unusual picks. I don't have this background knowledge of like what's going to win or what has the best chances. So this is what I went with. I have Arctic Fire Red Twig Dogwood as
Looking
one of my
amazing
choices.
this early
Yep.
And
spring,
it's native.
late winter.
Interest plant, native. I have Winecraft Black Smoke Bush, which happens to be my favorite plant. I have Gatsby Gal, also a native hydrangea. And I have Tiny Tough Stuff Mountain Hydrangea in my final 4. My final 2, I have Winecraft Black against Tiny Tough Stuff, with Winecraft Black taking it all the way.
Woo, woo, woo. I had Incredible Blush and Italian Ice, joined by Checkmark Trilogy Wygila and Pugster Amethyst. Blush and Italian Ice are my final 2 competitors, with Incredible Blush taking the whole thing. It's really hard to beat an arborescence in my book, so I'm excited to see how that one fares. Also a rookie in this competition.
Yeah, it was just new on the market last year in limited numbers. So this is also a year where you'll see a lot more of it in your garden center.
And we hope that you will continue on with the competition, voting those newbies through to the next rounds and learning more about really exciting plants. We will see you in round 2, and until then, from all of us here at Shrub Center, may the best shrub win.
See ya.